So the third type is your distributives. Let's see what is it. Distributives show distribution. They refer to each one of a number. Words such as each, every, either, neither are called distributives. And you must have read all these words: each, every, either, neither. These are very common. Now we will see one by one of their uses. The first one is your each. Each is used, okay, look at here very carefully. Each is used with a singular verb when a limited number of persons or things are considered individually, with emphasis on the individual. In other words, we can say that each is used when we talk about a definite number of persons and we emphasize on the individual. Like examples, each boy of the class is present. So here in this sentence, we are talking about each. We are emphasizing on each boy. Okay? There are a number of boys in the class, but we are specifying, we are emphasizing on one boy, each boy. That's why it is written here, each boy of the class is present. Next word is your every. Okay, every. Now see, every is used with singular verb. It is used when, now look at here, it is used when a large number of persons or things are considered individually. Okay, so every, when we talk about every, then there are indefinite number of the persons, there are large number of the persons, and we talk individually as a whole. Okay, now example, everybody was doing his duty. Now next word is your either. Either is used with singular verb in the affirmative with the meaning any one of the two or each of the two. So here either is used in the affirmative sense, means positive sense, and when we talk about any one of the two or each of the two. Example, you can select either book. Next example is the river has overflowed on either side. Now next word is neither. Neither is the opposite of either. It is used with singular verb with the meaning neither the one nor the other. Example, now see the examples. Neither document has any signature on it. I belong to neither party. Next, now your next type is interrogatives. Now what are interrogatives? Determiners which are used to ask questions are called your interrogatives, like what, which, whose, how many, how much are your interrogatives. You can see the examples. Whose book is this? Here whose is your interrogative. Which topic do you suggest? Which. Again, what assignment are you working on now? So all these are your interrogatives. Now next important type is, I think it is the last one, that is your quantifiers. Actually quantifiers also include the numbers. Number means 1, 2, 3, like these. So now we'll see here. Quantifiers are used to show quantity, number and degree as well. Words like sum, and you must have read all these words. These words are very similar, very familiar to you. Words like sum, any, much, many, little, few, etc. are called your quantifiers. Now we will see one by one their uses. First we will take some and any. Now see here, some and any can be used to express both quantity and number. Okay. Example, he gave me some books. So here some is your quantifier. Next example, I did not eat any orange. So here any is used. And these any and some are here telling about the quantity of a thing. Now the next rule, some is used in affirmative sentences while any is used in negative sentences. You can see the example to understand. I met some interesting people last night. So this is your affirmative sentence, and that's why we have used here some. Okay. Next example, he did not give me any book. So here any is used in negative sense. So we have used here any in your negative sense. C rule, both some and any can be used in interrogative sentences. So when we talk about interrogative sentences and we have to use we want to use some and any, then both can be used. You can see the example. Will you please lend me some money? Okay. Has he any book to read? So these are your interrogative sentences. So we can use any one of them, some or any. Now the next one is, sometimes any means it does not matter which one or who or when. In some cases, we can use any when we want to actually express what we can say, that sometimes any means it does not matter which one, or we are not sure which one or who the person is going to take an action, or when the action is being taken. So we are not sure about that. So in that sense we can use any. Now the things will be more clear by the examples. You can see the examples. The first one, you can take any cup you like. So now here we are not sure about any cup or a particular cup. You can take any cup. So here I have used here any. You can take any cup you like. I will be at home on Sunday. You can come anytime. Here you can come anytime you like. So this is also the use of in. Now next words are your much, many. Let's see their uses. Much means a large quantity, and it is generally used with uncountable nouns. So see here I have underlined the important words. So keep these things into your mind. Example, I need much time to complete this painting. So here time is your uncountable. So I have used here much. So much is used for uncountable nouns and it means a large quantity. Okay. Now the use of many. Many means a large number. It is used with countable nouns. Example, many men attended the meeting. So here men is your accountable noun and that's why we have used here many. Now the next words. Little, a little, the little. Actually, these all words are used with uncountable nouns. Okay. Little, a little, the little. Little is, so first we will see one by one the use of little. Little is opposed to much, means little is opposite to much, and means almost nothing or hardly any. Okay, again I am reading this rule. Little is opposed to much and means almost nothing or hardly any. हिंदी में अगर हम कहें तो ना के बराबर. Okay, so it is used in negative sense. Now see the example, you will get the idea about this. I have little money. So I have little money here, it means that I am having hardly any money. Okay, a very little money, almost nothing. So the next example, the next word, a little. A little is used, a little has affirmative meaning when we want to use our sentence or when we want to say our sentence in a positive meaning, in a positive manner. And means, what does it mean? A little means at least some, though not much, but at least some. Example, you can see the example. The things will be more clear by reading the examples. I have a little money and I shall help you. So here a little is actually expressing or showing a little quantity which is in affirmative sense. I have a little money and I shall help you. Okay, so I will help you with my little money. Okay, so I have a little money and I shall help you. I hope you are getting my point. Now the last word is your the little. The little means not much, but all that there is. See the example, you will understand automatically. He lent me the little money that he had. So he is actually pointing about that whatever the money he is having, he lent me the little money that he had. उसके पास जितना भी पैसा था उसने वो मुझे दे दिया. So here it means whatever the amount we are having, not all but a little. Okay, that's what it is written here also. The little means not much but all that there is. So you can see the example once again. He lent me the little money that he had. Okay, so in this sense we have to use the little. You can see now some more words. Few, a few, the few. So these three words are used with countable nouns. So first we will see the use of few. Few is used in a negative